Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee. As you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. Okay, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I'm making each and every topic in each and every video so you people can understand. And friends, do like the video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So, in our last video, I've covered the topic called Surda's story continued, the reawakening of the subconscious mind. Okay. So, in this video, I'm going to cover the story called Surda's story continued. His high good soul appears. So, this is the last part of the Surdas. So, and what I do, friends, I'm giving number to each and every video. So, whenever you come by number one, 2, 3, 4, you will understand in the better way. As it is a 51st number video. So, I will start, friends. Okay. The date is 29th 5 1981. 29th May 1981. Surda's story continued. His high good soul appears. Surdas now saw everything clearly, and he was sure it was too late. He was sure that in a few hours he would be in hell. So Surdas has saw his full life, right? Whatever mistake he have done. Vipsi and Ratu is telling to his wife Korshed Bhavnagri that Surdas was guilty, and Surdas was feeling just within few minutes and few hours I am going to be in the hell, right? God's justice is always present. I realized it too late. God is always just. Maybe justice comes later than it should, but justice does definitely exist. Now I have to suffer all of my punishment. There is no way out. So Surdas was guilty. He was telling ki yes, God justice is there, but it is quite possible that justice of the gods comes late, but justice definitely come. And he was guilty that now I'm going to go in hell and I'm going to suffer a life in a hell. So he was very much guilty in his life, and he was thinking there is no scope of escaping from this problem. His subconscious mind began again. You wanted God to perform a miracle. Well, here is a miracle. You shall now improve. He did not understand the meaning of this, but he continued to think, I sowed evil, now I must reap punishment. So, he was thinking, Mr. Surdas, that I have committed crime in my life, now I deserve punishment. And God is going to give me punishment. So, he was very guilty in his life. So, O God, show me right way to take my punishment. Show me the way to purify my soul. Never let me go wrong path again. So he was requesting God, hey God, you please help me. You please show me the right way. I don't want to go in the wrong path. I want to follow the right path. I want to do something good in my life. So he was praying and begging to God. Oh God, show me light in the darkness, and I will never be blind to God's ways. Oh God, save my soul from evil. I don't care if my physical body is tortured, but save my soul. He was telling God, please save my soul. I don't know if my physical body is tortured, I'm okay with it, but please save my soul. I want to be a good soul and I want to improve a good life and I want to lead a good life in my life. So this was Surdas who was begging in front of God. The night passed this way, and dawn Surdas saw a streak of light entering the dark cave. He was extremely surprised. So night passed. So after that, Surdas saw a light was entering his cave. So he was surprised. Oh God, it's miracle. Is it miracle, God? You saved me. So he was telling God, is it a miracle? Did you save me, God? He was overjoyed. It was beyond him to understand how he was saved. So he was very happy and he was unable to understand that how he was saved. Surdas, his subconscious mind began again. Even a poisonous snake and fierce jungle animal have a pity on a legless, helpless man, but an evil man like you never had any pity for innocent. So he was thinking even a snake and animals left you a legless man, right, who doesn't have leg, we won't harm him, but even you didn't have this much also, mercy for other people whom used to torture. This was said by Surda's subconscious mind, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavanagari. Innocent, helpless, good people. He was very ashamed of himself and took an oath to always be good and never go on the wrong path. So he was thinking that I will always be on the good path and I will never go on the wrong path. So he was promising to his own subconscious mind. Still, there is very little chance for me to survive in this dense jungle. No one will pass through here. So, how will I get out of this lonely place? Oh God, you saved me from all wild animals. So, please now save me from this place so that I can lead a good life and repent for all my evil deeds. So he was telling God, you please save me. Now, as you save me from wild animals, you save me from this dark place and you show me light so that I could improve in my life and I could go in a better way and I could lead a better life, God. Oh God, please help me again. I know I am asking for too much, but have a pity on my soul. He was telling God, please help me. I know I am asking for too much, but you please help me, God. He crawled out of the cave with much effort, sat on a rock, and prayed sincerely to God. After for a few hours, Surdas saw a holy fakir passing by. So he was sitting there and he was praying to God by closing eyes. Hey God, please help me. But after a few time, he saw a holy fakir passing from there. Limping and tired, he was overjoyed and shouted to him, please help me. So he saw holy fakir passing through there, limping and tired. He was shouting, please help me. The holy fakir out, the holy fakir, our high good soul, came near him and asked. So that holy fakir, who was the high good soul, who came near to Surdas and asked him, my man, are you evil or good? I never help evil people. So speak up. Are you evil or good? So he came and asked, because see, I never help evil people. So speak up. Are you a evil or are you a good? Surdas was on the verge of saying that he was good, but he did not, as his subconscious mind was now working. He stopped immediately and instead said, my dear Fakir, sit here and listen to my story. So, as Surda's subconscious mind was working, so he said to, oh dear Fakir, you sit here and you listen to my story. His subconscious mind was not allowing to say that I am good. So he said to sit to that Fakir and he said that you listen to my story. Then, if you think your conscience will permit you to help me, help me. Otherwise, go your way and may God bless you. So he said, after listening to my story, if your subconscious mind permits to help me, then you help me. Otherwise, you can go on your way. So he said to his high good soul, who was in the dress of Fakir Baba. His high good soul sat on the rock and said, oh, carry on. I am all yours. So he said and said, okay, you carry on, I am all yours. Surdas told him the entire story, the truth, and nothing but the truth. So Surdas said whatever he did in his life, whatever crime he committed, he raped the girls, he murdered them, he looted, he robbed, everything he said to that holy fakir, his high good soul. His high good soul was very impressed, but still tested him. You want to be saved so that you can continue your evil ways. So his high good soul asked him, so you have a very bad soul and committed crime in your life. So why you want me to save? So if I save you, you will again do all the wrong things. No, Fakir. So this was this now. Surdas is telling, no, Fakir, I will never go on wrong. I learned my lesson the hard way, and I am positive that God saved me last night to give me a chance to lead a good life. So he was telling, I learned my lesson, and I know God saved me last life so that I could lead a good life. So now that God has given me this chance in return, I must lead such a life that He will be proud of me. So he said, God have given me chance. So I need to lead such a good life, right? so that God will may be proud of me. I will make God proud of myself. So this was the word of Mr. Surdas. This word impressed his high good soul, and he even saw that Surdas' aura and vibration had changed. He said, "Okay, Surdas." So this was the Surdas word. So and even he was seeing that Surdas' aura and vibration have changed. So he was very happy. I will help you. First, he helped Surdas by giving him food and water. He said, "Okay, I will help you." So first, that holy fakir gave him food and water, helped him by giving food and water. Then he took Surdas home, left him there, and returned to the spirit world. His work done. So then he have taken Surdas to his home, left him there, and he returned to the spirit world. Then his work was done. Surdas is still on earth with artificial legs, leading a kind, good, and selfless life. So Surdas was still on the earth with the artificial leg, and he was leading a kind and good life. His mother was released as the police could not prove those clues were not planted by someone else. So his mother was released as police would not be able to prove as the clues were planted by somebody else, right? So they gave her the benefit of all doubt, and she was accured. Surdas heard this and asked her to stay with him. Over time, he improved his own mother too. So Surdas said that okay, want to stay with you, mother. And Surdas loved his mother, and over a period of time, Surdas improved his mother too. Surdas also helped his mother to be a good soul, right? Now mother and son are leading a honest, kind and selfless life. But Surdar does not know how Nilu and his high good soul helped him. So his mother and they are living a very good life, but Surdar doesn't know how Nilu have helped Surdas. When he return to the spirit world, he will know all. So when he will be returning to the spirit world, he will be knowing all the things. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari. Nilu is overjoyed now and thanked his high good soul from the bottom of her heart. In such a manner, many spirit souls have helped people on the earth. You call it a miracle, and that is what it is. So in this way, many spirit soul have helped the earth soul, and we here call it a miracle. Yes, it is like that. So friends, this topic came to an end. Today Surda's topic came to an end. So today in our today's video, I have covered the topic called Surda's story continued. His high good soul appears. So in our next video, I will be covering the subconscious mind is real you. So friend, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video, so you people can understand in a better way. Okay, so friends, this video comes to an end. Do like the video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay, so and you all stay happy. You can connect me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay friends, this video comes to an end. You all stay happy, you all stay blessed, you all do very good karma in your life, make very good karmic account, and we all will one day meet in the spirit world, and you will say I used to see your video and today we all are in the spirit world. Okay, so friends, bye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay.